Hi, this is Bridget Knight, and I'm going to do a review on the police car, set number 7236. It has 59 pieces, and it comes with this cool guy. You get a white hat, a normal face. You get a badge, a bow tie, a vest, and a pocket. You get black pants too. The car is a really good car. It's nice. It has police here, police here. You can move the antennas. Sirens, police on the side. It's just like a normal car, but only with the sirens are on the top instead of the lights here. And then here's the back. And here's regular lights like always. And if you look inside, you got a steering wheel and a little control box right there. See? Turn that off. Okay, and then you can it comes with a regular thing like that. All cars do. The size of the wheel is about like somewhere around 2, and pretty much like a normal car. This car is a really good car. Small parts aren't for children under 3, and it's real cool. You can do lots of tricks. You can comes with a police guy and like that and stuff. It's real good. I give this set a 7 out of 10. It's a real good set. And I'll be seeing you. Bye.